it's like to not wake up every day and think you wanna die. There's things I'm trying to find, a space between you and me, love and suicide. Why am I still finding it so hard to smile? Why can't I find peace maybe just once in a while? I'm sensitive, except when I'm high as shit. My kitchen counter look like Aspen when I'm blazing. It's artificially confident, just trying to stay relevant. Writing to her in a text I know I'll never say I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
I wonder what it's like to fall in love and not fuck it up like every single time. I'm hanging on to every word you ever said. Visions of you in my bed, you're running laps inside my head. All these texts I never sent, and we both know that what we had was colorful and so real. I won't know just what you want if you don't tell me how you feel.
I'm sensitive.